Welcome to the class. We will start. Today we will not do neck exercise. We will start with shoulder exercise. We are going to do halasana. So let's start with shoulder exercise. Move both the hands forward. Elbow straight. Shoulders coming closer to the ears when they go up. Throughout the rotation, make sure elbows are straight. Do it 3-4 times. And then reverse. Reverse. Do it 3-4 times. Now join both the palms, place the palms on the shoulder. Join the elbows at the front. Exhaling, stretch them at the shoulder level. Now join the elbows at the top in front of the forehead. Bring them down, leave it. Do it 3-4 times. Join them at the top. Draw a bigger line down and leave it. Join them at the top, bring them down, leave it. Now join them at the bottom. Draw a bigger line straight up and then leave it. Again join them at the bottom, bring them up, leave it. One more time, join them at the bottom, bring them up, leave it. Now from sideways, shoulders up and down, head should not move, only shoulders should go up and come back. Relax. Keep both the hands forward, palm looking down. Exhaling, bring the elbows back and lock it. Similarly, up and down. Lock elbows at the front. Relax. Keep little distance between two legs. Maybe more than shoulder width. Take the right hand up. Shoulder attached to the ear. Inhaling, stretch both the hands in opposite direction. Exhaling, bend towards your left. Only towards left. Left hand slowly going down. Right hand parallel to the floor. Inhaling, slowly come back. Again stretch the right hand up. Exhaling, bring the hand from the sideways. Similarly, take the left hand up. Stretch both the hands in opposite direction. While inhaling. Exhaling, bend towards your right. Right hand going down. Left hand coming to 90 degrees, parallel to the floor. Exhaling, slowly come back. Stretch the hand, left hand up. Bring the hand from the sideways. Normalize the legs. Keep both the hands forward, palm looking down, legs together, knees together. Without opening the knees, try to sit down as if you are sitting on a chair and completely sit down if you are comfortable. If not, stay there wherever you are comfortable. Inhaling, slowly come back. Do it one more time. Exhaling, go down. Stay there. Inhaling, Slowly come back. Relax. Now keep both the hands on the knees. Bend the knees forward. Straighten them back. Bend them forward. Straighten them back. Do it one more time. Bend them forward. Straighten them back. Now rotate the knees clockwise. Make a bigger circle. When they come forward, bend maximum. When they go back, straighten them. Anti-clockwise 3-4 times. Relax. Keep the hands at the waistline. Lift the right leg. Rotate the ankle 3-4 times. Make a bigger circle when you rotate. Make sure throughout the rotation, toe is in stretching position. And anti-clockwise. Similarly, left leg. Clockwise 3-4 times. Anti-clockwise 3-4 times. Relax. Sit on the asana. Fold the right leg. Knee in standing position. Leg is in standing position when you fold it. Heel is very close to the hips. Send it back. Do it 3-4 times. Bring it close and send it back. Bring it close and send it back. Do it 3-4 times. Now, fold the right leg. Place the ankle on the left knee. Keeping neck and back straight. Try to push the right knee towards the floor with the right hand. Left leg should be straight and stretched. Now catch hold of the knee with both the hands, claspful hands. Bring the knee close to the chest. Send it back to the floor. Do it 3-4 times. Now hold the ankle with left hand, knee with right hand. Move it horizontal. Maximum towards right. Now hold the toe with left hand. Bring the heel very close to you and straighten the leg. Bring it close to you and straighten them. Bring it close to you and then straighten the leg. Do it 3-4 times. Now, holding the toe with the left hand, bring the toe very close to the left ear without bending the head while exhaling. Don't bend the head. Toe should reach the ear, not the ear reaching the toe. Slowly take it back. Straighten the leg. Do all this with the left leg. Fold the left leg. Bring the heel very close to you. Knee in standing position. Send it back. Do it 3-4 times. Bring it close to you and then send it back. Close to you and then send it back. Now place the ankle on the right knee. Back and neck straight. Try to push the knee towards the floor with left hand. Now catch hold of the knee with both the hands. Bring the knee very close to the chest. Send it back to the floor. Close to the chest and then send it back to the floor. Now catch hold of the ankle with right hand, knee with the left hand. Do a cradle movement towards left, maximum towards left. Now hold the toe with right hand, bring the heel very close to you and straighten the leg. When you straighten, make sure knee is getting straight. Now holding the toe with right hand, bring the toe very close to the right ear without bending the head. Do it up to your capacity, but don't bend the head. Exhaling, slowly take it back. Normalize the legs. We will sit in Padmasana. Fold the right leg. Place the heel left side of the navel. Fold the left leg. Place it on top of the right leg so that heels are very close to each other. Very minimum gap between two heels. Both the knees on the floor. Neck and back straight. Hands in Jnana Mudra. Thumb and index finger gently touching each other, remaining three fingers looking down. Wrist on the knees. Eyes gently closed. We will normalize the breathing with deep and long breathing. First exhale. Inhalation and exhalation should be very, very slow. Exhale completely. See, the root of the navel touches the spine. Apply Mulban. Relax the abdomen. Start inhaling slowly, gently up to the throat. Again apply Mulban. Relax the Mulban and repeat 2 more times. First exhale. Completely exhale. Pull the navel deep inside. Apply Mulban. Relax the abdomen. Start inhaling slowly, gently up to the throat. Again apply Mulban. Relax and then repeat 1 more time. Once you complete, relax. We will chant Om 3 times in 2:1 ratio. After completion of Makar, exhale completely, inhale again and then start second round and third round. Mouth into circular shape. Inhale. Mahamantra Gayatri Man. Om Bhur-Bhuvaswaha Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Gently open your eyes. Open Padmasana. Without taking support, try to get up. Those who cannot get up, come on to the knees and then get up. Relax. We will do Garudasana. Keep the left leg in standing. Lift the right leg. Take it around the left leg. You can bend a little. knee can be bent a little, left knee, so that you will be able to place the toe around the leg. And left hand straight, and take the right hand around the left hand, join both the palms, keep the thumbs in front of the nose and look towards the thumbs. All nervous system will get strengthened. The sciatica problem will go away. Concentration will improve. Exhaling slowly, relax the leg and hands, normalize the leg. Now keep the right leg in standing position. Fold the left leg, take it around the right leg. Left thigh should be on the right thigh. Now right hand straight in L shape. Take the left hand around the right hand. Join both the palms. Place the thumbs in front of the nose. Look towards the thumbs. Concentrate at Agnya Chakra. Exhaling, slowly come back. Normalize the hands and the legs. We will do Surya Namaskar. Come to the front part of the asana, leaving 2/3 behind. Heels together, toes apart in V shape. Hands along with the body. Eyes gently closed. Join both the palms. Place the root of the thumb at the chest cavity. Namaskar Mudra. From wrist to elbow should be straight. Elbows close to the body and parallel to the floor. We will invoke the Sun God. Om Mitraya Namaha. Inhaling, take both the hands up. Shoulders attached to the ears. Hands at the shoulder level. Inhaling, bend back from the cervical. Head and neck goes back. Shoulders should go to the extent ears go. Concentration at Vishuddhi Chakra, behind the throat, on the spine. Thyroid problem will go away in this position. Exhaling, slowly bend forward. Those who has backache, don't bend forward. Concentration at Manipur Chakra, behind the navel, on the spine. Try to touch the fingers on the floor if you are comfortable. Completely exhale, bend forward. Try to place the entire palm on the floor beside the feet. Knees should be straight. Forehead towards the knees. Inhaling, take the right leg back, maximum length. Right toe in standing position. Right knee close to the floor but not touching the floor. Lower back down, chest forward, head back, look up. Left leg should be 90 degrees between two hands. Concentration at Swadhisthana Chakra, behind the reproductive organs, on the spine. Exhaling, take the left leg back. Join both the legs. Head inside, chin at the throat cavity. Go back and try to place both the heels on the floor. Both the legs together. Concentration at crown of the head, Sahasrara Chakra. The calf muscles ache a little. Sciatica problem will go away. Bad blood will gush towards the heart for purification. The blockages will reduce. Inhaling, Bring the body parallel to the floor. Knees straight, elbows straight. Entire body is in inclined position. First knees on the floor. Chest between two hands on the floor. Forehead on the floor. Lower abdomen should not touch the floor. Palms very close to the chest. Elbows looking up. Concentration at Anahata Chakra, behind the heart, on the backbone. The heart function will improve due to magnetic effect of the earth. Inhaling, pushing body forward, lift yourself up from the front. Elbow straight, lower back down, bend back from the navel. Bend maximum. Even if you have a backache, this position will help you reduce the back pain. Concentration at Mooladhara Chakra, tip of the backbone. Exhaling, lift yourself up. Go back, try to place the heels on the floor. Head inside chin at the throat cavity. Thyroid and parathyroid glands will get activated. Concentrate at the crown of the head. Sahasrara chakra will get activated. Inhaling, bring the right leg forward between two hands in 90 degrees. Left knee close to the floor but not touching the floor. Lower back down, chest forward, head back, look up. Since pancreas get pushed back, the insulin production will be normal. Diabetic problem will get reduced. Exhaling, bring the left leg forward, join both the legs, straighten the knees. Bend forward and place the palms on the floor, forehead towards the knees. Shoulders along with the ears. Inhaling, slowly lift yourself up and bend back from the cervical region. Neck and head goes back. Shoulders should go to the extend, ears go. Exhaling, come to Namaskar Mudra. Hands down. Lie down on the back, relax. Keep little distance between two legs. Hands along with the body. Little toe towards the floor. Entire body is in relaxed position. Now recollect all the asanas which we have done, including the warm-ups. Realize that all 7 chakras got activated in Surya Namaskar. We will do Tadasana. Join both the legs. Take the hands towards the head on the floor at the shoulder level. Don't join them. Now inhaling, pull yourself in opposite direction from the navel, as if two people pulling you in opposite direction. Stretch both toes and the hands maximum. In the final position, normal breathing. But don't reduce the stretch. Try to increase the stretch. Children grow taller if you practice daily. In old age, you will not get shivering problem. All 206 bones will get stretched. All 72,000 nerves will get stretched. Relax. Just relax the elbows and the toes. Keep the hands over there. We will do Navasana. Join both the legs. Toes in stretching position. Inhaling. Lift the legs. Bring it towards the hands. Towards the head on the floor. Exhaling. Bend forward and see the hands are surpassing the toes. Forehead towards the knees. Roll on your back. Do it at least 10 times. Legs should be together. Toes in stretching position. Shoulders very close to the ears. Roll on your back. Gently roll on your backbone. The excess fat on the backbone will get reduced. Once you complete, sit in relaxed position. Keep little distance between two legs. Hands behind the hips in comfortable position. Look up, close your eyes, just relax. We will do Konasana. Join both the legs. Keep the hands behind the hips as close as possible. Toes in stretching position. Inhaling, taking the support from the palms and the heels. Lift the central part of the body up. You can suspend the head at the back. Knees should be straight. Elbows should be straight. Lift yourself up. Try to place the toes on the floor without bending the knees. Normal breathing. Stay there as long as you can. Exhaling. Slowly come back. Take longer time to come back. And relax in Vajrasana by placing both the hands towards right. Hold both the legs together from left in one go. Toes together, heels apart. Sit in between. Elbows close to the body, palms on the knees. Close your eyes. Vajrasana will help improve your digestive capacity. Backbone will become like a diamond. It will be strengthened. Try to sit at least 5 to 10 minutes after taking food. Slowly lie down on the abdomen. Sithilasana, right side Vishrant. Right hand, right leg straight. Right ear on the floor. Left hand, left leg folded. Left heel gently touching the right knee. Left hand in front of the eyes in the form of uppercase of L. Both the lung gloves on the floor. Shoulders in normal position. Even the left thigh should be touching the floor. There should not be even a space between you and the asana. So slowly come on to the abdomen. We will do Naukasana. Keep both the hands towards the head on the floor. Legs together. Forehead on the floor initially. Now inhaling. Lift the legs and the hands, also the head, as much as possible. The navel should be on the floor. Now lift the legs and hands going down. When legs goes up, when hands goes up, legs coming down. Roll on your abdomen like a boat. Slowly come back. Relax in Sithilasana left side. Left hand, left leg straight. Left ear on the floor. Right hand, right leg folded. Right heel gently touching the left knee. Right hand in front of the eyes in the form of mirror image of capital L. Sithilasana left side will normalize low blood pressure. Bring the right hand straight under the head. Come on to the backbone. Hands along with the body. Palms looking down. We will do halasana. So in halasana, those who cannot take the legs towards the head, they can stay back at the 90 degrees. First, inhaling, take both the legs as one, together towards the head on the floor. Toes should touch the floor. Those who cannot bring it to this position, they can stay back in 90 degrees. Legs in 90 degrees. Those who are comfortable, stay in this position as long as you can. Normal breathing. Thyroid problem will go away. Thyroid and parathyroid glands will get activated. The lower abdominal fat will get reduced. The slip disc related issues will get torn up. Exhaling, slowly come back inch by inch. Slowly come back to 90 degrees. Don't hit the ground with your backbone. Come slowly, as slow as possible. Each vertebrae should land on the floor. You should feel that inch by inch it is touching the floor. Once you are in 90 degrees, stay there for some time. Then slowly bring the legs towards the floor as slow as possible. And then relax. We will do counter asana for halasana, which is Matsyasana. Those who can come on to the Padmasana while lying down on the back, come to Padmasana. Those who cannot come to the Padmasana, just cross the legs. Just right leg on top of left leg as a scissor. Just cross it. Those who cannot, who can come to Padmasana, just make Padmasana comfortably. Then catch hold of the respective toes with your hands. Those who are just cross the legs, place the palms under the thighs. Now lift the central part of the body up little bit and forehead should come closer to the floor. Lift the head and see the crown of the head touching the floor and remaining body is lifted up like a fish. Normal breathing, Stay there. Even in this position, thyroid and parathyroid glands will get activated. The lower back will get tone up. Exhaling, normalize the leg. Now place the palms under the thighs, close to the thighs. Lift yourself from the elbows. Take the support of elbows. Lift yourself. Sit as if you are taking the support of elbows. Those who are in Padmasana, lift both the knees a little. They should not touch the floor. If you cannot, then you can place the knees on the floor. Normalize your breathing. We are going to do neck exercise now. Now exhaling, bend the head down, chin at the throat cavity. Inhaling, take the head back, head touching the backbone. Exhaling down. Inhaling, take the head back, head touching the backbone. Exhaling, come to center. Now inhaling, turn the head towards right, chin and the right shoulder in the same line. Try to stretch back. Exhaling, come to center. Inhaling, turn left, chin and the left shoulder in the same line. From there, try to stretch back. Exhaling, come to center. Now we will rotate the head in clockwise. Exhaling down. Inhaling, turn the head right. Right ear on the right shoulder. Slowly take it back. Head touching the backbone. Exhaling right, left ear on the left shoulder. Slowly come forward. Inhaling right. Slowly take it back. Exhaling left. Slowly come forward. Come to center. We will rotate anti-clockwise. Exhaling down. Inhaling left ear on the left shoulder. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right. Slowly come forward. Inhaling left. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right. Slowly come forward. Come to center. Relax. Normalize the legs. Lie down on the back. Relax in Savasana. Keep little distance between two legs. Hands along with the body. Relax the entire body. There should not be any stress in any part of the body. Relax. Now scan the relaxed body from your mental eye. Each and every part of the body should be scanned with your mental eye. Realize that it is getting relaxed by sending the status report to the brain. While inhaling, start scanning from right leg toe to head. While exhaling, head, crown of the head to left leg toe, and vice versa. Turning from right, come to sitting position. we will clap for a minute. Let's start with clapping from sideways. Then inside. Now we will clap 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now slowly tap your left rear side of the palm with right hand. Similarly on the right hand with left palm. Slowly massage your wrist by joining thumb and index finger. Just massage at the wrist, both the hands left and right, and massage all the roots of the fingers, all 10 fingers. Relax. We will go for Hasi. You can unmute yourself. We will laugh for a minute. Inhaling. Relax.
Yeah.
Sit in Padmasana or Sukhasana, whichever asana you are comfortable with. We'll go for pranayama. Both the hands on the knees, chin mudra. Firmly hold the knees. Thumb and index finger joined together even when they are on the chin mudra. First inhale. Inhale from both the nostrils. And then exhale. Exhale completely. The precaution is those who has asthma or high blood pressure or heart elements should not perform this. Completely exhale. Hold the breath outside. Apply Molban. Now sitting on Molban, holding breath outside. Now go on. Move the navel deep inside. Pull the navel deep inside and then relax. Pull the navel deep inside and then relax. Make sure you are holding the breath outside and sitting on Molban and doing the pranayama. Pull the navel deep inside and then relax. Only navel portion should move, not the shoulders. Nabhi Sanchalan. Till the time you are able to hold the breath outside and sit in Molban, continue doing it. If you cannot hold the breath anymore, relax the Molban, Start inhaling slowly, gently up to the throat. Now apply Mulban. Hold for some time. Release Mulban and then repeat 2 more rounds. First inhale and then exhale. Exhale completely. Hold the breath outside. Sit in Mulban. Now Nabi Sanchalan. Pull the navel deep inside and then release. Pull the navel deep inside and then release. Even when you release the navel, you should not breathe in. You should hold the breath out. And you are on Mulban. Concentrate on all these things. It will generate lot of heat inside the body. In summer, we should not practice this daily. Once in a while is okay, but not daily. If you cannot hold the breath, inhale. Inhale up to the grim. Apply Mulban. Hold for some time. Relax bandhas. And then repeat one more time. Once you complete the rounds, relax. Don't stop in between. We will do Nadi Sodhan Pranayam. Left hand in Jnana Mudra, right hand in Pranayam Mudra. For Pranayam Mudra, fold first 2 fingers, place them at the root of the thumb, remaining 2 fingers straight. Thumb on the right nostril, ring finger on the left nostril, elbow close to the body. First listen to me for the first round and then you can join. Close the right nostril. While counting 4, inhale from the left nostril. It should be deep inhalation but slow inhalation. Hold the breath inside, apply Triban while counting 8. Relax the bandhas. Exhale from right nostril while counting 8. Now hold the breath outside, apply Triban while counting 4. This is half round. Those who cannot hold the breath for count of 8, they can reduce. It should be 1:2:2:1 ratio. So if you are reducing, let's say you can inhale while counting 2. You can hold the breath while counting 4. So like that you can reduce it. Similarly, you can inhale from right nostril while counting 4. Hold the breath inside, apply Triban while counting 8. Relax the bandhas, exhale from left nostril while counting 8. Hold the breath outside, apply Triban while counting 4. This is one round. So let's repeat 2 more rounds. I will repeat one more time. Inhale from left nostril while counting 4. Hold the breath inside, apply Triban while counting 8. Relax the bandhas. Exhale from right nostril while counting 8. Hold the breath outside. Apply Tribandh while counting 4. Relax the bandhas. Inhale from right nostril while counting 4. Hold the breath inside. Apply Tribandh while counting 8. Relax the bandhas. Exhale from left nostril while counting 8. Hold the breath outside. Apply Tribandh while counting 4. Relax and repeat one more time. Nadi Sodhan Pranayam will tone up all the nadis and brain function will be stabilized. The mind will be in stable. Entire body will be calm down. Once you are done, relax. Don't stop in between. We will go for meditation. Hands in Jnana Mudra. We will just focus on the thoughts today. Initially, let's start focusing on the tip of the nose. Just observe the breathing pattern. Just travel along with the inhalation and slowly come out while you are exhaling. Don't forcefully inhale or exhale. Still the breathing will be happening. Just observe as a spectator. Slowly start focusing on the thoughts. Try to eliminate each thought as quickly as possible. Don't stop the thoughts. Let them come and go. Just observe as a spectator. With regular practice, thoughts will become zero. That is thoughtless mind, the starting point for self-realization. When you are in thoughtless mind, take a resolution for upliftment of the human beings. Remember your favorite God in the form of Jyoti. Slowly relax. We will chant Om loudly once and then Mrityunjay mantra. Inhale. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Mrityo Mrukshiyamamrutat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Be there in this state for some time. Enjoy the bliss. Gently open your eyes. Open Padmasana. Straighten the legs. Stretch toes forward and back. Do it 3-4 times. It will normalize the blood circulation. Right and left. Rotate toes clockwise 3-4 times. Anti-clockwise 3-4 times. With this, we can conclude today's session. Thank you.